The primary use of a blower is to clean up the mess left on sidewalks and driveways after finishing landscape work. A blower provides a very efficient way to sweep leaves, grass clippings, dirt, and debris from these hard surfaces. Hard surfaces are driveways, sidewalks, patios, parking lots, and roads. Mowers and trimmers often cover things with dust and debris. We use blowers to blow this dirt, debris, and clippings off of objects like cars, patio furniture, and window and door ledges. The backpack blower is an essential tool in leaving the customer's property neat and tidy. Safety equipment and personal protection. To operate the blower safely, there are various pieces of safety equipment you must wear. Safety glasses with side shields, hearing protection such as earmuffs or earplugs. Gloves should be used when conditions call for it, cold days, or when your hands may be at risk of harm. Wear sturdy, proper-fitting clothing. Do not wear anything loose, especially your shirt. Long hair should be tied back. Wear approved safety footwear. Before starting the blower, it is important to check the following. The condition of the blower. Do you see any damage that may affect its performance and safe operation? For example, make sure the spark plug boot is secure to avoid sparks and possible ignition of spilled fuel. Test the throttle trigger to make sure it is in good working order and that it doesn't stick or is too loose. Inspect for missing or worn guards. Check fuel. Make sure there is enough for the job. It is safer to refuel a cool engine compared to a hot one. It can be frustrating to run out of fuel before you have completed your blowing task and have to refuel mid-operation. Check that your fuel type is correct. Place the blower on the ground or other flat surface waist level or below. Be careful not to touch the muffler, which is very hot. Hold the blower with one hand on the main housing. Make sure you have a firm footing. Put your foot against the base of the blower to prevent it from slipping. Pull the starter cord firmly with your other hand and guide it back into place. Do not let it snap back. Once it is started, proceed to place the blower on your back. Do not rush. Adjust the shoulder straps as needed for comfort and mobility.